अस्सलाम वालेकुम सामीन, इस नई वीडियो में आपको खुशामदीद। आज आप लोगों को कफ के बारे में बताया जाएगा।
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good.
A dry cough is also called unproductive cough, unlike productive. Wet cough, dry cough. Dry cough are unable to remove mucus, irritant from your lungs and nasal passage. Cough, a sudden forceful hacking sound to release air and clear an irritation in the throat airway. Common cause, coughing can have the causes that are not due to underlying disease. Examples including normal clearing of airways, irritants such as smoke, gas, tobacco use, improperly swallowing food and liquid. Self-treatment, liquids, lozenge, cough drops, vaporizers, and steamy showers may help smooth a cough. Over-the-counter cough medicine may also help, but it's best to check with the doctor before administering to a child under 6. Seeking medical care. See a doctor immediately if you are choking and cannot speak, having a difficulty breathing, find it hard to swallow, notice blood in your lung, have persistent night sweat, fever, weight loss. Make an appointment to see a doctor if you have the development of the fever of the 100 Fahrenheit degree centigrade, 38 degree centigrade higher. Cough up phlegm that swallow are greeny, star wheezing. These are the problem. if you check जो ना आप डॉक्टर को फौरी तौर पर चेक करा सकते हैं. There are a number of the clinical treatments you can use to alleviate them, but there are some are the also at home remedies which can be just effective in many cases. Number one, honey is for the mostly used for the children and sometimes of the adult patient. Turmeric home remedies, it contain of the curcumin. Number three, ginger. This is the antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. It may be shown to the boost the immune system and the relieve pain and discomfort. Number four, Marshall mallow root. A root is a type of the herb. It's used in cough syrup and in lozenge to the soothe dry cough. Number 5, peppermint contain the methanol which help to numb nerve ending in the throat and that become the irritated by the coughing. आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी. खुदा हाफिज़.